If your TikTok account has been permanently banned, simply follow these steps to potentially recover it. Firstly, understand why you were banned. TikTok enforces ban for violation of its community guidelines such as posting inappropriate content, engaging in harassment or dangerous behavior, violating intellectual property rights. Review TikTok's community guidelines to identify the possible reasons for a ban. Then simply go to the Anyway browser and in the search address bar search for the Unban TikTok option available there. Then you'll be navigated to Account Support. Tap on it. Then again you'll be navigated to the TikTok support in the official page. Once you do so, from there scroll down and there you can see Contact Us option available in the blue highlights. Then simply tap on it, search for it. Then you'll be navigated to fill out the form. Select the appropriate issues category, provide your username and detailed information about the issue, attach any relevant screenshots or evidence of yours, and send it. Send an email to your feedback@tiktok.com explaining your case and include your TikTok username, the ban reason, and a polite request for review. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.